guys, this episode we are revisiting FriendlyID because I added a feature of FriendlyID to GoRails yesterday and I wanted to cover this. It is the history feature of FriendlyID and it allows you to take your model, mine is episodes, and I have titles for those and it converts that to a slug for the URL. And whenever you make a typo, you might need to update that slug to fix the typo, but you want the old one to still work. Now, if you didn't have some sort of history, there's no way for you to redirect that unless you did a manual thing in your routes file or something, and that would be very annoying to maintain. So we're going to be talking about the history feature of FriendlyID today. So let's go and add this to our application. We'll run bundle add FriendlyID. Then we will run the Rails generate FriendlyID command, and that will install a migration and an initializer for us. So we'll run Rails generate FriendlyID, and that creates the migration and the initializer, and we can create our model. For our example, we'll have title. We'll use that to create a slug. We want the slug to be unique, and body is text just for some content. And then we'll run Rails DB migrate to create those models. So now that that's all set up, we can go into our app and start configuring this. So let's just open up our posts controller in our browser, and then let's go and open up our code.